Hi guys, today I saw some unique phones. That too on Amazon is a seller named Shivash. And if I show his page to you guys, then see guys how many weird phones he has listed here. So I am thinking of ordering different phones from this seller and see what exactly comes. I got a very interesting phone, brother. Look, this is also a flip phone, and here the iPhone camera is installed, and a screen is also shown on the side of the camera. It will be very interesting to know that so much can be bought at this price. Let's order this. So after a little research, I got a very cool phone. See how unique the shape of the phone is, and it is written here that this is a steel phone, so it will probably be heavy too. Leather etc. is also written. Its back is coming with a very different finish. So I think it is worth ordering, brother. Guys, I got another phone. This seller is amazing. It looks like a military phone. It is so thick. I am also finding this color very interesting, so I think I should order this. It has a bigger battery. I think it can charge other phones as well. There are a lot of things in it. Let's order it and see what it is. Now, after checking out so many phones, I understood that there is a trend that in these cheap phones, whatever is there are keyboard phones. Flip phones or folding phones are very popular among them. So I got another phone. Its orientation looks a bit strange. Anyway, it has two screens as well. And it looks a bit like a communicator type. So I think I should order this as well. Is it? And you know what I am most excited about? I have got two very small sized phones, but they are very expensive. They are around $56. One is a small iPhone and the other is a small Samsung. So I want to order both of them. And the interesting thing is that they say that Android will also be available. So if all this turns out to be true, then I think it will be fun to test these phones. I will order them, brother, for them to arrive. But before starting, my name is Suresh. The name of the channel is TechTide. I keep making such interesting videos. So you click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon fake flip phone. So guys, total 6 unique phones have been delivered. I am very excited, brother. Today I feel a lot of fun is going to happen. And I would like to start with this phone. Its name is Snakeshian Rock. I had shown you that it is a folding phone and the side of its camera module is made in such a way that another screen is available. So let's start it. Now guys, I have bought this phone for around $20, and because it is a folding phone, so the box is also opening like a folding phone. You can see the attention detail. And this is a magnet in a way. And now let me show you what folding phone we are getting for $20. This will be fun, brother, I guess. So guys, here is the complete iPhone. This is not a screen. And I thought, obviously, brother, how can it be a screen? Is this also not a screen? Yes, no, there is a screen here. Brother, here is a normal keypad, friend, but it is strange. Oh, I just saw this. See, the light is burning and it's strange. Should I do it again? Yar, I found this very strange. Firstly, it is shown on the box as if it is a proper screen type, but there is no screen. The rest was visible in the design. Actually, there is an actual SIM tray here, and here on the right side, the button that you can see, I turn it upwards and it is a flashlight which is strong, brother. After how many days I am unlocking a phone like this, and yes, it is a normal UI like. It used to be in old keyboard phones, but one thing I noticed is that the battery is full in it, but still the whole time the green light is burning here. Now it probably means that it is fully charged. Who knows, when the battery is low it may turn red. I hope so. And yes, let's see that for $20, we have also got a camera. I will turn on this app. Oh brother, the camera is working here. I will not lie. I am getting full entertainment, brother. I am getting full entertainment in unboxing it. The interesting thing is that it has a Type-C charger. Nowadays, even the most expensive phones do not come with a case. A case has been given with this. I would say that it is of good quality too. Now what is this, brother? It looks like a lanyard to me. Yes guys, here there is a proper strap to put it in the phone. Now I don't know if anyone is interested in this concept of a folding phone where an iPhone is made and many things are happening. Lights are burning inside this phone. Will anyone want to buy such a keypad phone or not? But yes, brother, such a thing also exists in the leather and steel phone market. Now let's talk about the next phone. I was personally excited that, brother, open this phone and see what it is. There was a very amazing picture of it on the internet. I had also shown it to you guys initially. Let's finally unbox it. Now the most interesting thing is to see the box. There is no text, it is a nameless phone, just like I had ordered it after seeing the picture. And it costs $32, brother. $32. I have ordered a random phone of $24, and let's see it first. Okay, I am taking time to digest what this thing is, exactly what material is used in it. Oh, this is completely different. battery will come here anyway. Now on the page of this phone, diamond leather phone, I don't know what all was written. Brother, they are going to give everything for $32, but I think they must be calling it leather finish. They must be calling it diamonds. I guess this is the upper area. No doubt the heft is due to the presence of metal inside this phone, which makes it feel a bit heavy. I found the in-hand feeling very good. And guys, look at this camera. It is placed at such a unique place here. And as I had shown, the battery will be placed here. Let's see what other box content is given. Obviously, they must have given the battery. Okay, here is the battery. I think this is the charger. This is micro USB. Never mind. Now what have they given? Something looks strange. Well, this is the case for the phone. I think the phone will go in this. If this is the case for the phone, then it is very strange. Now who will use the phone like this? I don't even know. I am putting the battery in it. Let's turn it on and see. What is this thing inside it? Exactly. It is not turning on. Oh, what a strange welcome is written. Well, the phone started quickly. This is a good thing. Now its UI is completely different. And guys, there is a snake game inside this phone. It used to be my favorite game when I was young. Obviously I will play it. But before that I was packing the box. Look, it has $131 written on it. This phone is coming with an MRP of $131. I mean, anything happens in the market sometimes. And now, brother, the biggest moment for me is that I play Snake in this phone. So guys, the game has started. Should I tell you the truth? Now I don't have enough patience to play a game. It seems that why is it running so slow? Well, it is a different matter that as this snake grew bigger, its like speed also increased. I think a few moments later. Let me tell you a funny thing. I was just saying in the beginning that I don't have patience. I don't want to play this game. I played the whole game till the end, friend, and now I have cut that scene. How could I show you guys the whole gameplay? But brother, I enjoyed playing it. Let's talk about the design again because it is really weird. I mean, some people in my office think it is like a knife. Like a knife comes in such things, it opens like this. Some people think it is like that. And my wife tells me that there are some lipsticks whose cases use such and such material. That is a different story. Now definitely after hearing all this, a question comes, brother. You tell me in the comment section that you would like to buy something like this for $32 if you want to use only a keyboard phone. You will spend $32 just for this design and for such a heavy phone. Now if I talk about the next phone, tank phone, then brother, it is made quite like a tank. Now friend, I will not go into the name. I don't know what to call it, forget about it. This is the important thing. Below it is written the king of music. I think we will have to test the speakers. Plus here it is written big battery. We will see what it is and see how cheap this box looks. So much is written. Anyway, I will call it overselling. Now the F is kept here and see how big it is. Oh friend, I did not know that it will come like this. It looks like something from the military. Oh, this is the charger, and here is micro USB. It is not type C. Oh, why is there a screwdriver? There is also a screw here. There is a warranty card. And what is this? Earphones. Oh friend, it is very low quality. Leave it, let's not even talk about it. I did not understand what the screwdriver is for here, so I have figured it out. I have opened all the 4 screws, and now look brother, such a big battery has come out of it. Should I take out this battery and show you? Guys, look, this looks funny brother. When I saw it for the first time I laughed a lot. I said, what have you put in the phone? And look here. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 SIM slots inside it, and here there is also a micro SD card slot. And I have just noticed that it is a 4500 mAh battery. I think that's why it was written on the box, brother, this big battery. Now there are ports in this area, and it is properly covered. And the funny thing is, what is the type E port? There is micro USB inside this phone, and this is the headphone jack. Now anyone will think that why is there a type E port inside the phone? But it is shown here inside the box that you can charge another phone with this phone. Now if such a big battery is given, then it should also work like a power bank. Well, I am booting this phone for now. So let's pack the box. It was written Music King on it, and like the other phones, this also has a very strong flashlight. There is a proper button here. I liked this thing. Fun fact guys, I was testing this phone a bit, UI etc., and inside its UI, the address and phone number of the service center are given. Well, it is a good thing, but yes, I don't know who is buying the phone. Now a question is coming in my mind that such strange things are sold, for sure. Only then the seller is available on Amazon. But that will be a separate discussion. But now, let me show you by playing its FM radio. It is very loud brother, a freshener which has so many benefits. Bring Capio Cafe today itself. Now one of my team members is recording the audio. He records the audio by putting on headphones. His band rang. Brother, it was so loud. And I am not saying this as a compliment. It is a sound which is just loud. There are speakers inside it which have very high travel. And tell me, it is called the King of Music. So guys, right now the phone is on and I am going to throw it in front of all of you. Let's see if it can handle it or not. Right now the screen is running. The torch is also on. I hit it hard. It is a wooden surface. The battery had come out. Let's put it back in. The torch is on, and I cover it once like this. Let's see if it turns on or not. It has turned on. Now we will hit this phone with a hammer. Obviously, if the battery bursts after removing it, then there will be a problem, so we will check how exactly its frame is. Okay. So, just now, some part of this phone has come out. The phone fell once, so I am holding it and let's check how strong its frame is. I think there is no major damage. I hit it hard. There are just marks here. Let's hit it harder now. I am just afraid that my hand might get hurt by a pen. By the way, no doubt, it is very strong. Now let's put a battery on it and see what happens. The air part of the battery is here. Its flash has still turned on. Did the phone turn on like this? I don't hold it in my hand, lest the battery bursts. Maybe let's check the phone on the screen too. The screen is damaged, but the phone still turned on. This phone can be called easily durable, according to the price. Now the next iPhone foldable phone you must have heard. Realme. This is The matter is not ending here. Its name is One Fold Pro. Definitely. Let's see, brother, what Fold Pro is inside it. There is a strange pattern on its box, and here it is written in Hindi that your own phone. And below it is even told that there is a MediaTek processor inside it. And look, it looks like a very interesting phone. It is written Fold here. There are many things mentioned here about the phone. Why is it called Fold Pro? Let's see. I am not able to understand what is the trend of folding the keyboard, but I am not able to understand which is the real display. Should I remove it? Okay, this is also a display, along with the buttons here. So what is inside? There should be nothing inside. Oh guys, there is a display inside as well. Is there a Fold Pro case on here? Yes, there is a case on it. Okay. So, this is also a cute little iPhone. Now we did not get to see a folding phone from Apple. But these people made it, brother. Congratulations. Now it has started automatically. Well, the phone has started. Yes, it is operating like this. Its back is here. To pick up the phone, to cut. This is normal for navigation, but what is this exactly? Okay, is there anything else here? No guys, this is just a clock. Nothing else is here. But at least, there are two displays in this. And I bought this phone for $2. Let me show you a funny thing. Imagine your phone makes such a sound every time it unlocks. Turn off. Now turn it off, then open it again, then turn it off again. This is funny, brother. Well, here is the SIM ejector, and for some reason, one thing common in all phones is the torch. Look, press it here. They have a very good torch. And after seeing the form factor of this phone, I am remembering the communicator. Nokia had launched a phone. By the way, this phone is inconvenient to use even in terms of keypad. As much as I am watching this video, guys, it is coming to my mind again and again that for whom is this Shivash seller making this phone? And I feel like listening to the voice again. Shivash Pai, you have entertained me? Brother, what are you doing, brother? From where are you getting all this? Now finally we come to these small phones. iPhone 16 mini and Samsung S25 Ultra mini, which I showed you guys in the beginning that I am ordering. This is a very interesting thing. By the way, one thing has come to my mind, that Shivash is a seller, and all the phones he is selling on Amazon have Shivash written here, but if seen originally, it is the Black Zone company which is making these phones. This means Shivash Pai is also eating the credit. Oh my god, this should not be done. Coming back to the phone, even though these are small phones, this is the most expensive one in today's video. I bought this for around $56. By the way, the box is well made, brother. It is a complete yellow box. Here the name of this phone is Miniature, meaning this is the smaller variant of Samsung. Its name is Miniature, and there is a lot written on the box. What? Crazy, guys. Its MRP is also $131. But guys, I bought this for $56, but I realized that it has Android installed in it. So I think they will make this phone a very interesting thing. Let's see how Android works. Well, the phone has a very cheap feel, and it feels weird to see such a thick and small phone. But yes, I have to say that they have made a baby S25 Ultra. Then let's see what is the difference in its size. One thing has come to my mind. Let's see if it is smaller than the S Pen. Yes, brother, it is smaller than the S Pen. Well, there is no matte finish in it. We can remove it. Black Zone branding is done here. Now this phone has become more flashy, it looks weird, and the first phone that was shown had your own phone written on it. And here it is written country's own phone. I think it is a trend to write all this inside these phones. Just look at it with reference to my face, brother. How small is this phone? Think about it, it has Android. Let's turn it on. Come on, brother, let's boot this phone first. Let's see how Android is. Why is this Mouni Roy's photo coming? I am not doing any editing, brother. It is true that at the time of boot up. Now, after seeing all this, my curiosity had increased so much that I first got this phone tested. And the good thing is that this Android is really snappy. It means everything is running fast. And look, I have also installed Temple Run and Antutu in it. And look, the notification center looks so cute in such a small display. And I thought that there would be no camera in it. Everything would be fake, but there is a camera. In fact, they have even provided a selfie camera here. Now I feel that they have done something for $56. Did they take a photo? They took it. They took the photo quickly. Obviously the quality is bad. But it is okay. It is usable at least. And now finally let's play Temple Run. Now since it is taking time to load, let's do our favorite thing. It has stopped. It is lagging, brother. Now while running Temple Run, its battery has run out. I will have to put it on charging, but don't worry. Now let's open iPhone. And its name is different. Like its name was miniature Samsung's, its name is iLite. Well, it looks quite similar. The only difference here is the camera module. This is iPhone's. Let's remove this also. Let's see, brother. I am very excited about what is going to come. Now okay, again, it is Mouni Roy, brother. Will this be Mouni Roy's brand? If I talk about the rest of the box content, they have put tape here and have also given a case, and this is the cable which is Type-C, and a silicone case has been given for this phone which looks something like this. And they have given such a big manual, and because it is inspired from Apple Samsung, they have not given a charger, brother. They have tried to maintain everything. Guys, look, I have to admit, I had a lot of fun in today's video. We saw this small phone. I don't know what all strange things we saw. Everything was flash. And while making this video, only one question was coming to my mind. Who is buying these phones? What was lacking in a normal-looking keypad phone that we had to buy all this flash? But let's say that due to Shivash Bhai, we got entertained. Anyway, if you like this video, then click on the like button and join our TechTide army by subscribing. We believe in quality. See you next. Thanks for watching.